us a little bit about why you chose to be a lawyer, and more importantly, your journey on purchasing and becoming a managing partner of Loura Sanchez.
Oh, you make it sound like, there was this plan.
Well, was there not? I thought that was always the master
come on.
plan.
I don't think people always say, like, what kind of law do you do? And I would tell them, and then be like, how did you end up there? It's not like people go to law school to say, I'm going to be a community association attorney, right?
Thank you so much. That is more my question.
Yeah.
Why law school? But even more so, why did you end up and doing community associations?
It was very logical.
Okay.
Right? So I thought I wanted to be a civil rights attorney. I grew up in the South, and it left an impression on me. So I was like, all right, I'm going to be a civil rights attorney. Well, as I got through school, then I thought, I don't know about that. I think I want to do like mergers and acquisitions, I want to like be on Wall Street, like sexy stuff, And then I dabbled in that and said, I don't think that's for me. And truth be told, I needed a job. And so I ended up in a community association law firm doing part-time stuff on the side. Like,
which one was that?
At the time, it was called Pontius and Associates. They're not in business here in Denver any longer. And I was handling collections. It was a great gig. I was like, this is kind of interesting. This is kind of a cool thing. So I stumbled upon it like most people who stumble upon this profession. But it's been very good to me. And what I figured out about it is that it is, while it's a specialty, it is so general. There is exposure to pretty much any kind of law you could ever want to do.
Contract disputes.
Contract disputes.
Delinquencies,
real estate, corporate law, environmental law. I had a client one time that we had contaminated soil, and we had to deal with that. I didn't know anything about environmental law.
Asbestos spills.
Yes, exactly.
Water rights.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Tax issues. Then you add to that the non-legal stuff, like psychology and conflict resolution and all of those kind of things. So it's been very good. It was a great field to be in, and I still feel that way for anybody who wants to enter it or managers who want to enter it. If you're a person who likes new things, you like to learn, you like challenges, it's a great industry.